Ladies and gentlemen, I'm pleased to be joined today with our chairman, Mr. Dominic Riley also. Good afternoon, and on behalf of the Morgan Motor Company, I'm delighted to welcome you to our stand at this, the 89th Geneva International Motor Show. This show is a significant one for Morgan. Not only is it held during our 110th anniversary, but today we will also unveil the next generation of Morgan wide-bodied sports cars. Continuing to build on our most successful years ever, 2018 represented another record-breaking 12 months. We are also proud to say that 2018 witnessed our highest level of reinvestment to date. We continue to invest in our future product range, our factory, and most importantly, our people. The Morgan Motor Company continues to grow and create more jobs than ever. We continue to train and inspire the next generation of Morgan craftsmen and women. And in 2018, we celebrated 50 years of the Morgan V8. 50 limited edition plus 8 models and 8 limited edition Aero GTs were an unprecedented success, providing a fitting end to a significant chapter in our history. And today we will reveal more about the next chapter. 110 years of the Morgan Motor Company is a milestone we are very proud of, and one that we will be celebrating throughout 2019. We proudly remain true to the principles of HFS Morgan, who started our company in 1909, making powerful yet lightweight motor vehicles that were accessible and personal. As we progress into and through our second century, Morgan remains committed to handcrafting an exciting range of sports cars at our factory in Malvern Link, each one offering maximum thrills and entirely hand-built using the highest quality natural materials. Each Morgan is as individual as its owner. And now, allow me to introduce our 2019 product range. Each model is identified thanks to their unique specification, newly released 110 colourways and anniversary markings. Firstly, the Morgan three-wheeler. A real success story. This remarkable model continues to capture the imagination worldwide. And in 2018, we built our 2000th vehicle since relaunch back in 2011. And this year, it offers even more with a series of 110 edition enhancements. The 4.4 continues to enjoy success in our rest of world markets. And the Plus 4, at the back of the stand here, is by far our most popular model. And today, we launch the 110 Works Edition. The Plus 4 Works Edition is Morgan's personal vision of the perfect Plus 4. These are available to order in green, contemporary green and silver, with further upgrades and detailing never seen before on a classic Morgan. And lastly, the Roadster, the most powerful of our traditional chassis models, and also available with a range of 110 options. Now, onto our first major announcement for today. One that has been eagerly anticipated, and one that will define our 110th year and beyond. A bonded aluminium chassis has underpinned our wide-bodied performance vehicles since the millennium, first witnessed on the original Aero 8. And knowing that we would reach the end of our BMW V8 engine allocation during 2018, this presented us with an opportunity to not only replace the foundation, the chassis, but to also develop the engine, but to also develop an all-new foundation for all of our future flagship models. Today, we present to you our all-new architecture, designed and developed in-house alongside industry-leading technical partners. It will underpin our wide-bodied models and flagship models throughout the next decade and allow us to embrace the latest in emerging propulsion, safety and performance technologies. I am delighted to introduce to you the Morgan CX Generation platform. CX stands for 110, further celebrating our anniversary and marking a new chapter in our history. This structure offers twice as much torsional rigidity over the previous generation aluminium platform. It also features a chassis which weighs only 98 kilograms. And I'm delighted to reveal the first of our new models that will be underpinned by this new architecture. Its position at the top end of our range redefines the Morgan driving experience. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the most dynamically capable Morgan ever. The all-new Morgan Plus 6. We consider the timeless Morgan design, as witnessed on the new Plus 6, to be one of the most iconic shapes. However, we have painstakingly refined and redesigned almost each and every component. Less than 1% of the new parts, of the 3,000 new parts on the car, have been carried over from the previous generation. During our history, we have remained committed to a lightweight production philosophy. And with a weight of only 1,075 kilograms, the Plus 6 is no exception. It represents many firsts for Morgan, the most significant being the first time we will have used a turbocharged engine. We are also extremely proud to announce the continuation of our BMW partnership. BMW has provided us with engines for over 20 years and will continue to do so for years to come. The Plus 6 features the latest BMW B58 engine. This world-class inline 6-cylinder turbocharged engine produces 335 brake horsepower. The Plus 6 is capable of 166 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds. Our prototypes have undergone testing in the UK and Europe for over 3 years, accumulating huge mileage and satisfying stringent durability and safety requirements. This new car's packaging is highly impressive. We have maintained the footprint of the vehicle, yet boosted legroom by 200 millimetres and increased stowage space. And producing just 170 grams per kilometre of CO2, and with a fuel economy of 38.2 miles per gallon, the greatly reduced emissions and improved efficiency of the Plus 6 is impressive. Its performance making it even more accessible to our customers in Europe. The combination of our new lightweight architecture and this new engine is sensational. It is faster, has more torque, and is more efficient than the previous generation. I've driven the cars, and all I can say is, wow, I cannot wait for you to try them. The cars can be purchased via our worldwide dealership network, with customer production starting in June. The Plus 6 is our latest wide-body performance vehicle, the first to adopt our new CX architecture. We are immensely proud to present ourselves on a world stage alongside some automotive giants. And of course, this wouldn't be possible without the help of our partners. I would like to thank our paint suppliers, PPG, who continue to support us with world-class painting materials. I would also like to thank the UK Government and the Advanced Propulsion Centre for their help with funding support and for helping run the development programme. Finally, I would like to thank all of the Morgan staff, with a special thank you to our research and development team, many of whom are here today, and all of those back in Malvern Link. Without their continued commitment, this wouldn't be possible, and their commitment is an absolute testament to the brand. The second major announcement concerns the long-term future of the Morgan Motor Company, and I'd like to hand over to Dominic Riley, our chairman, to share this news with you. Dominic.
Thank you, Steve. Good afternoon. The past 2 years have been the most successful in the company's 110-year history. We have delivered record sales and record profits, and in the new Plus 6, the team has developed the finest and most capable road-going sports car that Morgan has ever produced. I share Steve's sentiment. I've driven the car, it is amazing, I can't wait for you to try it. The directors and the Morgan family want to build on this success and plan for the long-term future of the company. We are therefore very pleased to announce that the Morgan family has agreed to welcome a new investor into the Morgan Motor Company. A new partner that is absolutely the right fit for our company. A partner that will help us grow and fulfill our global potential as a business. This partner is Invest Industrial, a company with a history of successful investment in automotive industries. Invest Industrial is planning to make a significant new capital investment into the Morgan Motor Company. This new investment will allow us to increase our sales and marketing activity worldwide. It will allow us to invest in and upgrade our factory and visitor centre in Malvern, England. The investment allows us to expand our production, to accelerate new product development, and to develop new models of our cars. And we will plan to recruit more staff to our Malvern base and worldwide. In summary, with access to this new investment, we intend to expand production and secure our long-term future in Malvern, while retaining the hand-built British sports cars and the unique craft skills that are at the heart of the Morgan Motor Company. Our new partner, Invest Industrial, has a history of investment in automotive. They have previously backed Tom Walkinshaw Racing, Ducati Motorcycles, and more recently Aston Martin Lagonda. which has more than doubled its sales and production with their support. This means they are absolutely the right partners to help us take the Morgan Motor Company forward into the future. They and we believe that Morgan is a truly great name in global motor car manufacturing. And with this new investment, the company can now fulfill our potential on the global scale. We are pleased to welcome today Andrea Bonomi, the chairman of the Invest Industrial Advisory Board, to join us today. We are also joined, thank you, we're joined by many members of the Morgan family, shareholders and directors. And I'm pleased to say we're also joined by many of our staff from Malvern Link and the factory as well. As a result of this investment, Invest Industrial will become the largest shareholder in the Morgan Motor Company, a majority shareholder. At the same time, the Morgan family retaining a share of the business. This was an extremely important part of the investment. After 110 years, we didn't want to lose the Morgan family involvement in our wonderful company. Finally, Invest Industrial have also reserved a share of the company for management and all of our employees, and we will together own a share of the company's future success. With the support of the Morgan family, our team at Malvern, our dealers around the world, our customers, our future customers, and now an exciting new partner in Invest Industrial, I'm confident that together with our new partner, we will continue to grow Morgan and we will have the opportunity to fulfill our true global potential. Thank you very much.
I'd like to say this new investment is fantastic news for all of us that work at Morgan. Dominic and I are very excited and pleased to make this announcement. An investment that secures jobs, creates further jobs and allows us to further invest in Morgan is fantastic news. Be assured we are more than delighted with this development and more excited than ever for the future of the Morgan Motor Company and everyone associated with us. I know there are many of you eager to come and see and look closer at the new +6, and we welcome you onto the stand to do so. If there are any members of the press or media that would like to speak to either Dominic or myself specifically about this new investment, could you please make yourself known to the Morgan team at the front desk. I would now like to invite Mr. Andrea Bonomi, Chairman of the Invest Industrial Advisory Board, and members of the Morgan family to join us on stage for a photo call. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our press conference. Thank you very much.
Besucht mein Blog Petrolhead.ch, abonniert meinen Kanal oder klickt hier, um ein anderes Petrolhead-Video zu schauen. Hat euch das Video gefallen? Dann freue ich mich über Daumen hoch. Danke!